In this question, it is given that let lambda is not equal to 0 be a real number. Let alpha and beta be the roots of the equation this, and alpha gamma be the roots of the equation this. Then 3 alpha upon beta and 4 alpha upon gamma are the roots of. That is, you have to find the quadratic equation whose roots are these two numbers. First of all, I will find the value of alpha. Because alpha is the root of this also and this also, hence I can say 14 alpha square minus 31 alpha plus 3 lambda equal 0, and 35 alpha square minus 53 alpha plus 4 lambda equal 0. To find the value of alpha, it's clear that if we eliminate lambda from these two equations, I will get an equation in alpha. From there I can get the value of alpha. Therefore, to eliminate lambda, multiply this equation by 4, this equation by 3 and subtract. You will be getting 14 into 4 minus 35 into 3 into alpha square minus 31 4 minus 53 into 3 equal to 0. That is 56 minus 105 alpha square minus 124 minus 159 alpha is equal to 0. That is minus 49 alpha square minus 35 alpha equal to 0. That is alpha into 49 alpha minus 35 equal to 0. But alpha is not equal to 0 because it is given that alpha is the root of this. If I take alpha equal to 0, then 0 will have to satisfy this, and if 0 satisfies this, then lambda will have to be 0, but lambda is given to as non-zero, hence it is sure that alpha is non-zero. And from here I get the value of alpha as 5 by 7. And because alpha and beta are the roots of this, therefore alpha plus beta equal to 31 by 14, and alpha we have found is 5 by 7. Therefore I get that is beta equal to 21 by 14. And similarly, because the roots of this are alpha and gamma, therefore alpha plus gamma will be 53 by 35. That is 5 by 7 plus gamma equal to 53 by 35. Hence gamma is equal to 53 minus 25 by 35. That is 28 by 35. That is 4 by 5. And this means 3 by 2. Hence we have got the value of beta as 3 by 2, gamma as 4 by 5, and alpha as 5 by 7. Hence 3 alpha upon beta means 3 into 5 by 7 upon 3 by 2. This is equal to, and further 4 alpha upon gamma means 4 into 5 by 7 upon 4 by 5. That is I get 25 by 7. Hence we have to find a quadratic equation whose roots are this and this, and clearly the sum of the roots will be 10 by 7 plus 25 by 7, that is 35 by 7, that is 5. That is, I can say sum of these two numbers is 5. And now product of these two numbers, that is 3 alpha upon beta into 4 alpha upon gamma, is equal to 10 by 7 into 25 by 7, that is 250 upon 49. Hence the quadratic equation whose roots are this and this will be x square minus sum of the root x plus product of the root 250 upon 49 equal 0. That is, I will get 49 x square minus 245 x plus 250 equal 0. Hence, I can say third choice is correct choice.